Rob from All Things Wood, Heat, and Maple. So when you're setting up your evaporator, if you're doing it on a cinder block unit, if you're doing it on a barrel, whatever you're doing, make sure you level it out. What I like to do, the way I've got mine rigged up, I'll use shims, whatever I need to do. And then I've got this level. And what I try and do is make sure from front to back, it's fairly level. And certainly from side to side. You want to avoid high spot because that's the first place where it's going to burn. If you can get your pan nice and level, gives you a little bit more confidence in how shallow you can get your boil. The less sap you're boiling in the pan, the faster your evaporation rate. So if you've got 2 inches in here, which is about up to this mark, you'll get a nice boil. If you've got more, it'll take you a longer time. But either way, having your pan level gives you a really good opportunity to have a great boil and hopefully not risk burning your pan. Next time you're at a yard sale, pick up one of these levels. They work great. That's it. Rob from All Things Wood, Heat, and Maple. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you on the next one.